Today's going to be one of the most important days when it comes to crypto investment and finance overall, because yes, we saw that the overall crypto market, Bitcoin went sideways, but what if I tell you that exactly today, this is going to be the major start of this next leg of the bull market, this major euphoria and major moves. Yes, we're talking about 30 to 50 or even up to 100% moves in only one day. So if you're new to this channel, I've been waiting exactly for this day, the start of this final leg towards the upside. The next 3 months in the crypto market are going to be extremely important, and if you held on to your crypto to exactly this date, congratulations, you're going to witness one of the biggest bull markets in history. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to be subscribed, smash up the like button, and let's directly start with today's content, because today is going to be extremely important. In 4 hours and 6 minutes, we're going to see the FOMC meeting, and yes, the previous FOMC meeting, we saw a major push towards the upside. This was on the 18th of September 2024, and afterwards Bitcoin saw the 78% pump towards the upside, all the way from the levels of 56,000 all the way to 100,000 US dollars. Yes, guys, this was a major move. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. We could expect this major move, this explosive move towards upside for the overall altcoins, because this is the crypto total market cap, and exactly at the same time period in the year 2021, we saw this explosive move where the market cap went all the way from the levels of 350 billion all the way up to 1.15 trillion. And this time, guys, we're going to see that a lot of liquidity is going to be flooded into the market, because yes, we are seeing that the Fed rate cuts, they're going to flush in a lot of liquidity into the markets. We're finally going to see this euphoria and this thrill where all these cryptocurrencies are going to see a major move. And yes, guys, if you want to find out which cryptocurrencies you should accumulate, you should be subscribed to my channel, because I'm going to drop a video which altcoins you need to hold during this explosive phase. But yes, guys, we could expect this explosive move, because this is exactly where we are. We are in the belief phase, and all the euphoria is only going to get started, and yes, you're going to feel like you don't want to sell. And this is exactly the time period where we're going to take some profits. Yes, if you're holding on to some altcoins, guys, be patient, because you're not going to regret holding on to these altcoins. Yes, maybe they are down 50 or even 80%, but what are 50 or 80% if we're going to see some of these moves up to 500 or even 1000%? Yes, you heard me right, guys. We're going to see extremely high prices for some of these altcoins, and yes, this is exactly the time where new millionaires are going to be made in Q4, because this breakout for the altcoins is going to be imminent, and we're going to see major moves. And yes, guys, even Tommy Lee says that the next 3 months we're going to see monster moves for Bitcoin, and we're seeing a major supply shock. We're going to look at the supply shock, but first of all, guys, all of these errors, these have been prior FOMC meetings or even rate cuts where we saw that the price movement had some major volatility, but afterwards we saw a major pump towards the upside, and this is also what I could expect. I could expect that the overall crypto market is going to make a major move either towards the upside or even towards the downside. Maybe even a sell the news event where a lot of people are going to anticipate what is going to happen. And at the moment, guys, the overall market is anticipating a 25 basis point rate cut. But if we're going to see a 50 basis point rate cut, the market is going to absolutely be destroyed. We're going to see a major move. But guys, be prepared for some major volatility. I could expect that the market is going to move extremely fast, either towards the all-time high and see a major correction, or vice versa, that the market is going to come all the way back down to the 102,000 US dollars, and afterwards we're going to see a fast recovery, and that the overall crypto market is going to see a major push towards the upside. Because yes, if we're going to look at Solana at the previous September, we saw that this was exactly the bottom of a consolidation phase exactly a year ago, and afterwards the market pumped. And even the September before that, this was exactly the beginning of a major altcoin season where Solana saw a major move of 1,470%. And yes, my target still remains the same for Solana, round about the 1,000 US dollars. But overall, guys, this next move towards upside is going to be imminent. all this bullish news, from all this major adoption from institutions buying Bitcoin, guys, we could expect this major supply shock, and all these entities, major institutions, banks, corporations, and all these retail investors, they're going to flood into the market due to the rate cuts, money getting cheaper, and yes, trillions are going to be printed. We're going to see that the overall crypto market is going to see a major pump. And talking about major pump, if you want to trade these moves, make sure to sign up to BloFin, where you receive a major deposit bonus if you sign up with my exclusive link, and you can trade all of these moves. Yes, I'm in a trade on Solana with a take profit all the way up here, because I do expect that the market is going to see a pump all the way to the FOMC meeting, some major volatility, maybe come all the way back down. Then I already took profits on this trade on Solana. And if you want to copy all of my trades, guys, I'm going to start exactly from today posting all of my trades after the FOMC meeting. So make sure to be in my free Telegram group to always stay up to date what is happening in the overall crypto market and to trade. Make sure to sign up to BloFin. Make sure to be subscribed to B4Crypto, because this major FOMO is only getting started. We're going to see a major move for all these cryptocurrencies. And yes, make sure to be subscribed, and we see each other in the next video.